What's up, guys? Well, I got my Milwaukee chainsaw in here, and I'm going to do a little review on it. I put an 18-inch blade on here, which you can do it, but it overworks the battery. You might get a few cuts out of it, and then this battery start going cuckoo. It's back to normal. This battery just starts going cuckoo. It works great. The only complaint that I have is this right here. What happened is, every time a chain would pop off or whatever, I'd go here to unloosen the nuts or whatever, and the whole thing would just keep spinning. Same way with this one right here. So I had to put washers and lock washers on there to help me with it. Now, I had to take an impact to get these off, because when you turn with the wrench that it gives you, the whole thing just spin. So I had to take and get an impact and zip them off. That's the only complaint I have about this, guys. This thing has worked out great. And always make sure you keep plenty of oil in this thing, because as soon as it runs out of oil, you pop your chain. That's usually how I know it's out of oil. But I put this 18-inch bar on here, guys, and it works great. I cut down a big old ash tree. It was probably about 22 inches round, and I cut it down with this. The battery got hot. That's why they only put a 16-inch blade on there instead of a 18-inch blade, because they probably knew if we put an 18 on there, the battery's going to run hot. So if you run a 16, you probably won't have any trouble at all. But I put the 18 on there, and I love it. It still works good. Like I said, if you work it too hard, though, this battery will get hot. So, but other than that, guys, it's been a great chainsaw. I've used it, I don't know, I think I've had this thing, a year? I think I've had it a year now. I know, guys, if you buy these things around Christmas time, last time I looked, they were $400. And it came with one battery and a charger. Christmas time, they'll give you two batteries in the charger. I think I got a 9 amp hour battery in here. Yeah, see, it's a 9 amp hour battery. But it came with two. I got those 9 amp hour batteries with my, one of them came with my impact, and the other one came with my weed eater. So I got two of them. I got two 12 amp hour batteries, and I got a 5 amp hour battery. But this thing has been great, guys. It's been great. But that's the only problem I've been having right here, is this thing spinning. So when I put those lock washers and stuff on there, that helps, because when I tighten it, it kind of pushes it back to hold that stud in there. So when I unscrew it, it comes right off. But that's the only complaint I had about this thing, guys. It's been great. And I recommend, if you want one of these, I recommend getting one if you want one. But I like it. It works. It's done everything I needed to do. I had a steel. I sold my steel and bought this thing. Don't get me wrong, you probably want a gas one around too, or get two of these. But the gas ones, I had a gas one with a big 18-inch blade on it, and it worked out great. It worked, but I'm planning on getting me another steel. I can't knock steel. They're great chainsaws too. But this thing right here is nice. Now, how long it's going to last, I have no idea, because usually electric, the downside to electric compared to gas, eventually that motor in there probably burn up. But the downside to gas is usually the carburetor goes bad. And if you know how to play with the carburetor and clean the carburetor and rebuild the carburetor, you're doing good. That steel might last you 20-some years. So, all right, guys. Well, this is it for the Milwaukee chainsaw. I done, like I said, I put an 18-inch blade on there, and it's worked great. It's just sometimes it'll get the battery a little hotter than what a 16-inch blade would do. So, like this video, share this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Check out some of my other videos down below. Give me a thumbs up, and make sure that you hit that notification bell for other videos yet to come. So, all right, guys, till the next time, bye-bye.